Numerology is a self-awareness tool that is used for gaining insight into your personality, purpose, strengths, weaknesses, gifts, and talents. Having a numerology reading can provide you with clarity and a sense of direction. It serves as a powerful catalyst that can reveal how others perceive you and who you are at your core. Numerology can indicate areas in which you need to focus on for your physical health, your mental health, your emotional, and your spiritual health. It offers a personalized way for you to regain balance in your life where you may feel out of control, stuck, lost, or directionless. Numbers are the fingerprints of God. Numbers are the fingerprints of a divine architect behind existence. Numbers are not human inventions, they are human discoveries. Numbers form the fundamental basis of numerology and the numbers 1 through 9. Numbers are placeholders. They are symbols that describe fundamental patterns in the universe. They are archetypes, each with its own personality, strengths, weaknesses, talents, and behaviors. Numbers are symbols, hence their shape is quite telling. The shape of the number 1 is upright, in your face, unbending. The 2 is humble, flexible, resilient, almost if it's bowing on its knees. You were designed by Source with a certain energetic frequency, with a specific energetic cosmic code. This distinct code reflects the energy makeup of who you are, and when decoded, can reveal so much more about who you are. Today I'm talking about the symbolism of the number 8 and what it can mean if you have a number 8 in your numerology chart. The number 8 is all about balance and power. The 8, more than any other number, carries an emphasis on career, business, finances, and authority. The 8 symbolizes balance and is known as the great karmic equalizer. When the 8 shows up, you can be sure that you'll reap what you sow. The 8 creates a balance between the spiritual world and the material world. The sacred side of the 8 is very practical, rational, and intelligent. On the material plane, it is focused on results, often in the form of money. People with strong 8s in their numerology chart often make and lose fortunes more than once in their lifetime. Some of the positive traits of the number 8 are drive, ambition, authority, efficiency, organization, management, discipline, and control. If a person has an 8 in their core numerology chart, it can indicate the potential to be successful and prosperous. Now, some of the negative traits of the number 8 include frustration, dissatisfaction, anger, aggression, greed, intolerance, hate, and even insomnia. Someone with an 8 in their core numerology profile can find their way into the top of society. And on the other spectrum, homelessness. If you have an 8 in your numerology chart, you can be honest to a fault, generous, and very forgiving. So, are you curious about your own numerology chart? What does your very own unique cosmic code say about you? What are your strengths, weaknesses, talents? How do others see you? How can you leverage the numbers in your chart so you can be more, do more, and have more? Visit my website, cosmicclarity.ca, select Book Now, select Clarity Session, and book your one-on-one numerology reading with me today.